What is going on, crypto fiends? Ryan Rotolo here, and today we have a news video talking about a lot of exciting things happening in the crypto space. Now, before we jump into anything, I want to say thank you to all you crypto fiends for supporting the channel, whether you're leaving likes on the videos, comments down below, or even subscribe to the channel. Also, I do apologize for not posting the past week. To be completely honest with you, there hasn't been that much to talk about, and I don't want to just pump out crap videos to you guys talking about one news article here and there. I'd rather bunch them all together and produce one quality video to you guys a week. And then also, I would like to kind of add in some reviews and tutorials in between. So leave a comment down below if there's anything that you would personally like me to review on the channel, and I will consider it for a future video. I also have been working on something on the side that I will be announcing very soon, so that has been taking up a lot of my time as well. But other than that, let's jump right into things. First off, we are going to be briefly looking at the cryptocurrency market. Not too much going on. It is scary to see that Bitcoin is around $3,200, but what's even scarier is that the market cap is ranging close to $99 billion. Very, very scary to think about, guys. I personally have been a little nervous myself, but again, my current position in cryptocurrencies, I am a long-term holder. I am hodling on for multiple years to come. So yes, it is nerve-wracking to see, but in the bright scheme of things, I see good things down the road. Now, currently with the market not looking too hot with Bitcoin at $3,200, it seems that Bitcoin has slowly been working its way down to the $3,000 range over the past couple days. A lot of people thinking we could rebound off of the $3,000 level, and then we also have another group of people telling us, oh, we could drop to $2,500 or even $1,500. That is very hard to believe, but of course, I didn't even think we'd be at the $3,200 range right now, so anything is possible in crypto. XRP currently at 28 cents and Ethereum at $83. I think it's pretty interesting to see that XRP will most likely be holding the second place spot in the market cap range, as they are about $3 billion above Ethereum as of right now. And then, of course, we have Tether at ranked number 4, as more people are pulling their funds into Tether. It's going to work its way up in the ranks, but it does have a long ways to go before it passes Ethereum. So our first article today is going to be major US crypto exchange Coinbase adds cash withdrawals to PayPal. This is very exciting news happening over at Coinbase. So as of right now, you can withdraw your cryptocurrency cash to PayPal. Next up, we have crypto lending startup BlockFi raises $4 million from major investors despite bear market. Fidelity Investments, through its private equity group, is among a host of leading Wall Street firms that have supported BlockFi, a crypto lending startup that has big plans, including launching a credit card. New York-based BlockFi, which has attracted attention from some of the top crypto traders, has laid forth grand ambitions, and it says would see its capture a lucrative market that includes providing lending services to financial firms as well as retailers. Another crypto-focused firm to back the startup is Mike Novogratz Galaxy Digital, which notably contributed to the BlockFi's $52.5 million financing round conducted in July this year. So BlockFi is planning to launch a credit card. Speaking to the BlockFi CEO, they did announce that they are going to be launching a credit card, crypto credit card, as well as savings account services in the future. At the moment, BlockFi operations mostly involves providing crypto-backed fiat loans to holders of crypto, be it an individual or a company. So this is very big news. BlockFi has really been raising a lot of money, and a lot of big shots are backing up this company. As of right now, they do not have official dates of when they are going to be launching these products, their crypto credit card, as well as their savings account, but it is planned to be launched in 2019. Next up, Galaxy Digital leads $30 million funding for social crypto startup GoodMoney. Digital banking platform GoodMoney just raised $30 million in a Series A funding round to continue developing its app. Led by Michael Novogratz of Galaxy Digital, participants in the funding round included a handful of investors I am not going to be reading. The startup aims to act as a bank through which every customer owns some amount of equity, with incentives baked into those for who install the app, refer friends, and set up direct deposits. As part of its traditional banking services, GoodMoney says it will offer free ATMs nationwide, no overdraft fees, low consumer loan rates, and a 2% Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation savings rate. The company plans to release its full app sometime in 2019. This is so exciting, guys. So much stuff is happening right now in crypto, and all the mainstream media, they ignore it. They ignore it for the simple factor that they don't want crypto to exceed the traditional banking system. But with simple platforms like this, where you have everything that the people want, you have free ATM withdrawals nationwide, no overdraft fees, and low consumer loan rates, and a 2% Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation savings rate every single year. This is everything that the people want, and it's happening in cryptocurrencies as of right now. So GoodMoney is planning to launch their app sometime in 2019. I'm telling you guys, 2019 is the year that cryptocurrency really does shine. I know it's dark right now, it's very gloom, but the simple factor that you are watching this video right now shows that you give a damn and you are here for the long term. Crypto-friendly money app Revolt wins EU banking license. Revolt, provider of a mobile finance app that offers crypto trading, has been granted a banking license from the European Central Bank. The firm announced Thursday that the new license will be ultimately allowing it to offer users an account to manage all of their finances from a single place through its upcoming venture Revolt Bank. That vision is a little ways off. However, the firm said it must first build and test the features to be offered, as well as work with regulators over the coming months. Services enabled by the new license will be trialed in Lithuania next year and will expand to other European markets later in 2019. So it is great to see that a lot of these banking services, crypto banking services, are happening in other countries around the world, because that's what we really do. That's what we really do need for this all to happen, for cryptocurrencies to excel in the future. We need worldwide adoption, and it's happening with crypto startups just like Revolt and GoodMoney. So that is all the news I have for you guys today. Leave a comment down below what you think about all this news, what you think about the market, what content you would like to start seeing on the channel. Anything down below applies. Also, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It greatly helps the channel and the video get seen to more viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.